Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to continue the setup of your Ultimate Insider platform in order to sell your PLR courses. What you're going to do inside of the memberships area, once you have configured your domain, we're going to still be in this memberships tab. We're going to go to the site details. You're going to give your site a title and you're going to write in your support email and your support phone number if you want to have one. For the sake of this video, we're going to leave this blank. You're going to notice that you have some advanced settings here. So if you have something that you want to include that has HTML or JavaScript, you're going to do it here in this area. You're going to see here that you can place a logo here. So you're going to go and select the image from your hard drive and then upload your logo. We're going to click upload. That video has now been uploaded. You can also have a favicon here, and we're going to go ahead and put a favicon here. And so now our favicon is in place. We're going to click save. If you want to see your changes, what you're going to do is you're going to go to that domain name that you should have already set up. So let's go back to the settings. Let's go to our custom domains. This is our domain that we have set up. So let's copy it. And then we're going to see our login area. And what you're going to notice here is that when your customer comes to this page in order to log in to get their content, they're going to see the logo that you just placed here in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.